It's time for a big NDTV Profit exclusive. SEBI is likely to initiate consultations with exchanges on longer contract expiries in the next 1 week. That's what we're hearing. Charu is joining with exclusive details. Charu, what SEBI does next on this, I think, is something that the markets are tracking very closely. It's now seeming more and more a question of when weekly expiries are cut rather than if.
Yes, so the market regulator is regularly consulting with all the industry stakeholders to come out with a consultation paper to basically curb the volumes and speculation in the derivative segment. So we have come to know from several sources that the regulator is going to be starting a consultation process with the exchanges within a week. Since the exchanges are also a frontline regulator of sorts in cases like this, the regulator is also interested in hearing a wider industry view, and that is why they want to speak to the brokers as well. As of now, from what we are hearing, none of the associations are formally writing as per the SEBI's direction currently. However, this is on the cards as well. So what is the consultation going to be circling around? Firstly, there could be longer contract expiries. That means that cutting out with the weekly expiries and bringing in fortnightly or monthly expiries. And since the speculation and the volume is a concern, number of expiries could be reduced further. This means that merging the expiries is also a possibility. Apart from this, through several addresses that SEBI has made and through several people in the know that we have spoken to, deepening the cash market and introducing entry barriers is also a possibility. Now, introducing entry barriers or suitability criteria for retail investors to start trading in derivative segment is not something new. It is a proposal that has been tabled in the past as well, this year in January itself. However, considering the severity of a proposal like this, the regulator had earlier decided not to go ahead with it. Now, these entry barriers is something related to net worth or the aptitude of a retail investor who wants to start trading in derivative segments. So the regulator is looking into it as well. However, there is no conformity whether this will be taken forward. Currently, countries like South Korea follow such a method. So we'll have to see which proposal is taken forward. However, consultation is going on and nothing is going to happen before a consultative process is completed.